Welcome back. I have been working on my Raspberry Pi Pico temperature probe problem, and right now for some reason the F isn't working, and you can also see it's 81 degrees in my office. Part of that is I turned off the air conditioner to record this message. The other part is it's just really hot out. The issue with the F, I'll play around with another time. What I am working on is fixing this issue. If I try to run R shell, I get this error message. The reason is this device needs root privileges or to be part of the dial-out group. And if you look here, you'll see that this user is not part of the dial-up group. So we can either add the user to the dial-up group or we can work on something else. One of the things we can do is we can create a Udev rule. And I've done that before with my FFmpeg project. So let's go ahead and work on that. So we're going to go into the rules folder, and this is a rule for my cameras. So this is actually the camera that I'm using right now for videoing the Pico. And if you look at, you'll see that it points to video 2. And if I plugged into a different USB port, it would still point to that device. So that's basically what we want to do, but with this Pico. So let's create a file called, and we just want to add this file. Anything with ttyACM and the number will have the mode 666. And this will allow everybody to read, write, and not execute. And we need to reload the rules. And then trigger. And now if we go back to R shell, I can now get into R shell without having to run that as sudo. So now I can get to my next video, which is actually updating some of the source files on this Raspberry Pi Pico. So go ahead and subscribe so you can check out that video. Thank you for watching this video. You have a great day.